Hello and welcome to the channel. Let's dig into horticulture. So this is my first lily this year in 2025. It's called Tiny Double Dutch. It's a short Asiatic hybrid with double orange flowers, and it just looks beautiful. I'm very happy about it. Look at that, it has, the third one has a lot of buds to open, so I needed some happy in my life, and this is it. The rest of the lilies are also in bud. But what I'm most proud of is the American hybrids. So this is a cross between Pardolinum and Viginsi. This is true Viginsi. This one is Roter Spion. And this one is Spirit of America. They look lovely, they have these whorled leaves. So I'm very happy. And my irises look great. So thank you for your attention. See you next time. Bye bye.